Hello everyone. So here in this program we are creating thread but using the derived class, and this is our derived class which is derived from the inbuilt class thread. Okay, so we have a class and this is our class name which is MyThread, and it is derived from the inbuilt or predefined class thread. Okay, then inside that we have one method which is run. Okay, and we have to give same name. Why that I will come to this point, like start function, that I will tell you. Then we have a for loop I in range 5 and one print message. Now here we are writing t is equal to and derived class name mythread. Okay, so we have created the object. Now here when it comes to derived class, okay, concept. So if we write t dot start function, it indicates automatically it will jump to your run method. Okay, here we are not defining target equal to run or something like that. So whenever you will write t dot start function, it will jump to your run method of your derived class. Okay, and it will execute this part, whatever is there. And there is one more for loop outside of this class and everything, which will get executed by the main thread. Okay, so let's check the output of this. Control S and F5. See, child thread and main thread likewise we are getting. And suppose if we execute one more time, yeah, we are getting the same output. So again, it is not necessary that every time you will get the alternate output or changed output. You may get many times the same output also. Thank you everyone.